In this video, I will be showing you how to create a landing page with Mailchimp. So, by the way, what is this Mailchimp? One well-known email marketing platform is Mailchimp, sending automated emails and newsletters to improve company outcomes is its main purpose. Building deep, enduring relationship with customers is made possible through email marketing and also by creating a website. With Mailchimp, you can build and publish as many landing pages as you need in the same place you manage all of your other digital marketing. So all you have to do is to go to any web browser, type Mailchimp, and then get started. Enter the information needed, and then click Next. So this is what it looks like. This is the interface. All you have to do is to go to website, and then you can start designing your site, start selling products, start offering services. So everything is up to you. But for me, I want to try to start designing your site because I want to add some like pictures or other products. I just want to do it manually. Okay, so here the very first step is to add a website name. So let's just say I will be promoting products related to skincare, something like that. So I want to type or enter here Ali Company Skin Wines and then edit my site. Okay, so actually you can see the preview and the output of your landing page here. And so if you want to edit, then tap edit. On the left side, you can see manage a site, but let's just go on to edit first, edit page right here. Okay, so this is what it looks like. You can see here, manage a site, style, layout, edit section. You can also delete if you wanted to. Okay, so I have here Ali Company Skin Wines. Now, if you want to change this something here on your landing page, you can click this edit section and you can see header and other sections and components on the right side. So if you want to edit the headings, the font size, all you have to do is to click styles right here and then you can choose the color of your landing page. So let's just say if you want to set this to pink, if your products is more on girly thing or feminine or something like that, you can choose some light colors right here, but everything is up to you. So for me, I want to add like this, but later I'm going to show you how to add an image also. So aside from changing colors here or theme for a landing page, you can also add image to this. Okay, you can change the headings by tapping at the paragraph text that you want for your button, for your words, for your characters here, then all you have to do is to change that by selecting the correct themes and styles for your landing page. Also, if you tap these pages, then you can add more page if you want, or you can add link here to your page if you want to. Okay, so again, if you go to manage a site and then go to styles, you can change it anytime. If you want to enable cookie banner, just enable this, slide this to the right, and that's it. Okay, so again, this is how you manage your site right here, edit pages, styles, and cookie banner. So let's move on or let's go back to our landing page. And for layout, and then you can simply tap layout right here, and then you can change everything here. If you want to change this, tell people about what makes your site special. If you want to add something here, change the words, then simply tap this one, then you can change everything here. You can add or enter or type the information of your company if you wanted to. You can tell something about your products and then what will be the expectation of the customers. You can include everything here. So if you want to change your background, if you want to change it to image, like if you aren't satisfied with just colors, then go to background, tap image. Then here you can upload from your file, from your gallery, from your computer. You can add products, integrations, logos if you wanted to. So let's just say I wanted to change the background of my landing page, then this is what it looks like. So if you're not satisfied, you can replace this image anytime. Upload again, something or another image that is better. Everything is up to you. And you can replace it anytime. So for the meantime, let me choose this one. And if you change in this, like if you want to change the first introduction or the title of your landing page, all you have to do is to tap or double click. Then you can change this to something like Ali Company Skin Wine, something like that. And then for format or editing, you can see it on the upper part. As you can see, there is this formatting right here. Okay. Also, you can add some italic. You can change the color. You can change or you can make it bold and then underline if you wanted to. So everything is up to you. So this is what it looks like. And the good thing about this is you can add a link to your title up here. You can also add a subtitle. All you have to do is to tap enter and you can add a subtitle right here. For example, something about your product, something about your company. So I'm going to put here the best skincare for you. Okay, you can change the heading if you want. It's tapping in this format at the top left corner. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And if you want to change this, for example, if you want to add something like what I've mentioned earlier, if you want to add some link, okay, for example, if you have a website or if you have a YouTube channel, then you can simply place it right here, save, and then the people can see that. And if they tap that link, it will take them directly to your website. Okay. So if you want to change this learn more to buy now or add now or whatever you want, you just have to click and then delete and then add this one. For example, instead of learn more, you can tap this add now. You can change the format, you can change the font style, font size to make your landing page more beautiful. So I changed the background. I changed it into color only because I think this one is better. So this is what it looks like and also replace the image here. You can upload your product. Okay, so you can upload your products and insert it right here. So as you can see, I have added my product, the image of my products, and if I want to resize this, then I have to click this and then resize. And this is what it looks like. So it's more visible for the customer when they go to my landing page. Okay, same goes with this. You can change the captions, you can change the words here. You can change this to more information about your product, about your company. For example, a Radiant Glow Skin Care Set. So you could tell more about the advantages of using your products. And again, you can replace this image with your products right here. You can do this all over the page if you want. So this is what it looks like. And again, for learn more, you can change this to buy now or everything is up to you. You can leave it that way. You can change the color of this and then add link and so on. Change the style if you want. Okay. So that's it. So I have to change this to buy now. Okay, so this is what it looks like, and you can add more images if you wanted to. Same goes with this, just change the image and then change the words, add more information about your company, about your product, and then change the format. And this is what it looks like. Okay, so you can add more section by tapping this, and then you can add intro, text, text, image, subscribe, video, about, quote, and more. Let's just say you wanted to add a video, and like what I mentioned earlier, suppose that this is your YouTube channel or your company's a YouTube channel. So all you have to do is to copy that link for them to see more information about your product or about your company. Okay, tap this one. This is what it looks like. Now what you're going to do here is to simply tap this and then paste the link. Then click save and it will replace the video from the YouTube. As easy as that. So that's it. So that's how easy it is to create a landing page with Mailchimp. So if you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.